Hey guys, back again with another review video. Today we're reviewing the ghicc fan 52 black ceiling fade fan, 5-blade ceiling fan from Amazon. I'll leave a product description in the link below. Let's start unboxing. You can see it comes in a regular standard Amazon box. Here's the manual. Here are the blades. Everything else out of the way here real quick. Comes with the electronic sensor. So we have the dome light. Set that to the side real quick. And inside the packaging we have the rest of the little parts and components. The actual motor to the fan. The remote that's used for it. Sure if you guys can see it, but there it is. And the rest of the little miscellaneous items that come associated with it. I really like the packaging on this. It's pretty basic and it looks very well packaged for something that comes just in an Amazon box. One of my items, something in here was actually must have got damaged during shipping. That still works and looks good, so I will be installing it. So just the rest of the miscellaneous items that are here. Set these to the side real quick. Here's the mounting bracket that you need. And packaged really tightly, which is good. I like the way everything's packaged and handled. That's about for this section of the video. I'll post a quick demonstration of the fan being on and working. If you guys want a more depth tutorial of this, just let me know. And that's about for this section of the video. Alright, back again guys. Just wanted a quick little update so you guys can see all the parts there. It's my dog walking by, and this is basically all the parts. Everything ready for assembly. It's really quiet. Where on Prince? I mean, give me a minute, let me finish.